Hi, I'm SP, and I'm excited because I just came back from the gym. I saw a box waiting for me. It's one of those Amazon boxes, and I knew what was inside it, so I was just so excited. I kept my gym clothes on, I ran into the studio, and I'm going to unbox it for you. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. It's not the Osmo, it's the Mobile 2. So it is their stabilization stick for the cell phones, and I'm gonna use it this weekend. I'm gonna come back and do a video on that, but I'm just so excited to unbox it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna unbox it. So here we go. Gonna use my trusty unboxing knife. Actually, I have a confession to make. I had a part that was delivered yesterday, and it didn't come with the rest of it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the rest of it right now and add in the extra piece. What do I have? A bunch of packing information. Ooh, here it is. It is the Osmo Mobile 2. Yay! Also, I have the tripod to go with it. Also, I will have a carrying case for this, but it hasn't come yet. And I have the extension rod, which I heard may or may not work with it, but I got it anyway, so I can have a true selfie stick. So there you go, extension rod, tripod, and the Osmo Mobile 2. The box is just as beautiful as any one of the DJI drones, which I know since I own one. I can't wait to own another one. So here we go. I was going to use some sort of stabilization stick this weekend. I saw a few reviews, didn't really feel comfortable enough to pick the best from what I have read online or what I've seen. And also, I have to pick something that's going to work with my iPhone 8 Plus. It's a big phone, and a lot of the reviews on some of the ones said it's too big. The reviews on this said you're going to have to take it out of your case. I do have one of those smaller OtterBox commuter cases on my phone, but this one here is going to be able to take my phone at least, and then I'll make a determination if I want to keep it or not, and then go from there. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to go with the big one first because I'm excited here. I'm excited partially because this was somewhat of an impulse buy, somewhat not though, because I wanted some sort of stabilization. Basically what was happening is last weekend I was taking some video, and you know that little shaky hand cam that you get? Yep, I was getting that, and I didn't like it. So cellophane off, box looks really nice, and I'm trying to figure out how to open it. One of those ones where you don't want to open it weirdly. Oh, here we go. Found the hidden thing, the little circle tape that's on board. Okay, what do we got? We got a I guess instruction book, starter book, whatever. It's actually quite thick. Reminds me of the drones. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then this also reminds, they must put all their stuff in packages that are similar. This looks like a carrying case, but it's not. It's actually foam, like hard pack foam. I'll open it up. It's basically a hard pack foam case. This is great. So you get the little cord to, I guess, charge it. I think it needs a charge, and you get the Osmo itself, which right out of the box starts to stabilize. That's pretty cool. And 3D gimbalization. So I have no idea how this works. It's got a zoom function on it. It's got a record function on it, on off. I think, ooh, there we go. Huh. And turn that off. And I'm not sure what this is other than it might pan the thing around like a joystick up and down. So that's pretty cool. So, okay, there's the Osmo 2. As far as heft, I mean, if I lean it forward, it's got some momentum to it. So it's gonna feel weighty forward, like I can't balance it on my hand. But I think that was really neat. Okay, so we're not done yet. I'm gonna put it back in the little case here, at least for now, and then dig it out in a second. Put that off to the side. then we're going to go to the extension rod, which I've had for a day, admittedly. And we're going to open it up. And we're going to see what's inside. And you've got a little booklet, which will go with the other booklets. See, I've got them all together. Right there, all together. And then that's it for in there. And then I think this is an open in the middle thing. Looks like it, at least. It's not coming open. Oh, it must be. This must be kind of stuck in there or something. You know, for something that looks so easy to open, kind of just don't. Oh, there we go. There we go. And basically that's it. You got the stick. And that's all I really need from this is the extension stick. I might not even use this weekend, but I thought, hey, if I'm going to buy everything, might as well spend a little extra money and do this. Supposedly, you can mount something on the, you can actually mount it on a tripod, which is really neat. So you can create your own extension tripod for it out in the field. It's got a side tripod, and it's got, of course, the top lock. And, ooh, it feels nice. It does. I don't know how to extend it. We'll figure that out along the way, but there's the tripod. It's got a nice little hand stick or a hand carry strap to it, so you won't lose it anywhere. So that is the hand stick. I'm going to put that to the side, and we're going to unbox the tripod. In truth, I really have no idea if I'm going to need any of this forever, but I thought, hey, if I'm going to get the system, might as well get the system. Go all in. Another little book. So now I've got all the books together. There you go. I'm going to open this. This is packed in, it's not foam. It's more like that rubber stuff. I'm going to put that to the side. And here's the tripod. So it opens up. And there. Oh, wow. It feels metal, but it's not entirely heavy. And it does feel very stable. And it's got the lock and unlock on it, so you can lock whatever is in there. Of course, you can take the tripod stick. You can screw it in there. Oh, little ratchet sound. I have to figure out how to get that off. And then, oh, there you go, unlock. Ooh, it's made to do that. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. So it's the little gear lock. And if you lock it up, it will lock so it won't unscrew. So that is pretty cool. All right. So what I've got here is I've got the tripod, I've got the extension stick, and I've got the Osmo Mobile 2. And really excited about all this. I'll put all the prices down below, and I'll put all the links to this down below, and I will come back with a video after I've used it this weekend, just to tell you what I think, how it can be used for a normal guy, because that's all I'm going to be using is normal guy. And we'll see. I'm not a girl. I'm not going to take a bunch of selfies of myself. That's not going to happen, but I am going to try to take some motion video, and we'll see how that goes. And that's it. That's what I'm excited about. I hope you are too. And if you have any information about stability gimbals, handheld gimbals for cell phones, for cameras, or anything like that, please let me know, and I will talk about it later when I post the next video. If you'd like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the Gonna Geek Gear channel down below and hit that like button. We'll see you next time. Thanks.